Our Hiligaynon word for the day is bag-o. Bag-o. When we say bag-o, it means new or fresh. It can also mean recent, late, modern, just out, or recently. It can also mean to make new or to renew. Bag-o. Bag-o. Bag-o gid ining kalo ko. Bag-o gid ining kalo ko. That means this hat of mine is quite new. Bag-o gid ining kalo ko. Bag-o pa lang siya mag-abot. Bag-o pa lang siya mag-abot. That means he or she has just arrived. Bag-o pa lang siya mag-abot. Bag-o pa lang sila maglumbos. Bag-o pa lang sila maglumbos. That means they have left only a short while ago. Bag-o pa lang sila maglumbos. Bag-oha ang kudal. Bag-oha ang kudal. That means renew defense. Bag-oha ang kudal. Ining kawayan ibag-o ko sa kudal. Ining kawayan ibag-o ko sa kudal. That means this bamboo I'll utilize in renewing the fence. Ining kawayan, ibag-o ko sa kudal. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, bag-o. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.